Observers believe a transformative coalition of three democratic champions, Zimbabwe's charismatic Nelson Chamisa, Botswana's newly elected President Duma Boko, and Zambia's steadfast Hakainde Hichilema, could reshape the political landscape across the SADC region. Zambia mashoko atona kuti aiwa people they now see kuti aiwa SADC is now transforming kana vakomana ava vari 3 vachinge vapinda. Zambia mashoko mulanyu pana subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. These leaders share key qualities: a commitment to democratic principles, a background in respect of the rule of law, and a strong foundation in faith, which they weave into their political vision. Despite recent challenges, Chamisa remains a powerful force in Zimbabwean politics. His leadership style, rooted in resilience, ethical governance, and moral authority, mirrors that of Boko, who openly integrates his faith into public service. Boko's precedence began with a symbolic gesture as he attended church with his family, underlining his commitment to faith-driven governance. This display aligns with Chamisa's approach, using faith as a moral compass in the push for Zimbabwe's renewal. As the region confronts ongoing economic and political struggles, these three leaders embody the hope for a SADC built on democratic ideas and ethical leadership, championing a progressive and principled future. Thomas Kwamdanyo kopana pamzimu ewa chino kuti ewa kumana machen champion anoonekwa kuti ewa advocate Nelson Chamisa Hakainde Hichilema the new elected president weku Botswana vanonekwa kuti ewa kana vese vachinge vapinda pa leadership vakawa ma head of states aiwa SADC kuva illegitimate kana vanhu vese vari corrupt vanofumurwa kuonekwa kuti SADC inomira kudzokera payakanga iri kubva pakutanga. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudiwa pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu, subscribe or like and turn on the bell.